Hello everyone. Today we will talk about portfolio. Why portfolio? Because this is very important part of your internal assessment. A portfolio is something which carry everything which represent yourself, your all sort of documentation, your achievements, your results, your projects, your assignment, your biodata, your certificates. So when we talk about portfolio, actually we are talking about all the documents and the picture which represent any individual. Student portfolio, your project, your assignment, your results, your participation certification, appreciation certification, your biodata, collection of everything is portfolio. Why this video? In this video, I will try to demonstrate that how to create your portfolio in digital form, or I would say e-portfolio. It is very important that we need to have a portfolio ready at all time, which can be shared by any teachers, any concerned person immediately. So before you start your work to create a digital portfolio, it is very important that you need to save or you need to keep everything in a same folder, in a single folder. So to just show you, to give you an idea, I have created one folder with portfolio name. I do not have so many things which can be concerned to a student. I have something which is belongs to me. So you can just find out how you can manage the things. Like one few common things will be there. One of the passport size photograph of a student. आपका अपने एक passport size photograph होगा. You must have received your result of term 1. Please keep a soft copy of the same. Similarly, if you have received any participation certificates or appreciation certificate in the academic session, in the current academic session, means from April 2021 till date, whatever you have. I have one participation certificate of a training program attended or which is organized by CBSE. Similarly, I have one banner which I have created for the UKG admission to be uploaded in the social networking website. I'm just trying to show you that how you can create different things, you can arrange different things which belongs to you and which you can just put it across over here. Now, this is one biodata ka sample. I have kept it over here for so you can just create it. Okay? This is a sample of class 9 student biodata. You can create a biodata. You can make it different way to make it more better. It's all up to you. Okay? Then I have one certificate of a training program. I have one PPT. Similarly, you have PPT for different project. Maybe you have created for some subject. If you are being actively involved in any of the school activity which has been organized or conducted recently, there are so many other things that we have done in the current session, and you find there is any picture, any video, any particular thing which you can put in your portfolio. Just keep everything ready in one folder. After you keep everything ready in one folder, you need to open Google Chrome and open the website sites.google.com. Once you will open this particular website, there are so many templates. On the top you can see portfolio, event, help center, projects and team. You need to click in the option portfolio. After you click in the portfolio option, you will get a interface, a first page like this, which you're going to have in the screen just like this. Now I'm going to talk about this particular website in detail so you can get an idea that how or how much effort you need to give it over here so you can have a better portfolio. Like here, you can put your name over here. Similarly, a role means you are acting as a student. You can write here as student from class 10A, or you can write even your school name. There is a picture beside to this. Once you will click here, 3 dots you will get. Click in the replace image. If you have already one of your profile photo or passport size photo uploaded in your Google Drive, you can click in the upload option, or if not, you can click in the select image option. Once you will click in the select image option, sorry, if you have already uploaded a picture in your Google Drive, you can click in the select image option, or if you do not have any picture in your Google Drive, you need to click in the upload picture upload option. Once you will click over here, you will get to know, or you will get the location of your folder where you need to find the picture which you have to upload. Click here. Just need to set the picture ka dimension so it should look better. Okay, you can just crop it and put it in such a way that it should look better. Okay, you can drag it and stretch it as per your requirement. You can drag it towards the right side. Okay, so this is what I have done in the home page. You want to make changes in the font style of this text which is already written. You can select the text, you can choose the font style and make the necessary changes as per your choice. You can do any sort of changes which you feel that looks or that adds something to the appearance of the text. You can make changes in the color of the text. So there are so many options you have over here. Now this is the home page. You can write a digital portfolio of Radha Mohan Day or your XYZ, whatever your name is. You can write the name of school. You can write your contact details, okay, or your email ID over here in this first page. You can write any 3 to 4 lines which represent yourself, a kind of small biodata or a small introduction about yourself. I would suggest sit, draft 3 to 4 lines and write in the home page. And when you go downward in the same page, there are 3 options: name of presentation, name of project, name of video, name of video. There are so many options that you will get by default. Once you will click here in the name of presentation, it will open the slides option. So if you have any presentation already created, please upload these file in the Google Drive. आप अगर ने पीपीटी फाइल कुछ बनाया है, आपने एमएस वर्ड में कुछ बनाया है, अगर आपका पीडीएफ में कुछ क्रिएटेड है, कुछ भी सॉफ्ट कॉपी है, जो भी आप पोर्टफोलियो फोल्डर में आपने रखा है, प्लीज अपलोड देम इन द गूगल ड्राइव बिफोरहैंड, सो यू विल गेट देम इमीडिएटली इन द ड्राइव ऑप्शन. जब भी आप कुछ अपलोड करने जाओगे आपको तुरंत दिख जाएगा. जैसे नेम ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट, हियर यू कैन अपलोड एनी पिक्चर, ठीक है, लाइक और अपलोड विच इज ऑलरेडी देयर इन द गूगल ड्राइव. I want to put this particular collage or this particular certificate over here. Once you will click, it will get just adjusted within the frame. So there are so many options you have. If you want, you can remove any particular frame, like click in the delete option, you will get it deleted from the option. Get in touch, you can write your email ID at the bottom, as already one format is available. So this is all about home page. Now let's talk about the other important things. About section, here also you can write some few lines about yourself. You can add one logo, you can add school logo, any other picture that you have clicked which may have something very important message, you can put it over here. Now the next important thing, project page. What actually we do in the project page? Here what I suggest, once you click in the project page, click in pages option. इंसर्ट के बाद आपको पेजेस मिलेगा राइट साइड पे. यहाँ प्रोजेक्ट पेज वाले ऑप्शन में 3 डॉट्स में जैसे ही जाएंगे, यू विल गेट द ऑप्शन ऐड सब पेज. सो यू मस्ट हैव क्रिएटेड सम असाइनमेंट, सम प्रोजेक्ट फॉर डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट प्लीज इंसर्ट a sub page for all the subject that you have, like start from English. Click in done. Then again click in project page, add sub page, Hindi, click in done. Add sub page, mathematics, click in done. Similarly you will create subjects or pages from other subject. अगर आपको इसमें सब पेजेस क्रिएट करना है, like in English you have 2 projects, or you have created project for term 1 and term 2, you can click in add sub page and you can write over here term 1, because this is a continuation process, so you can just simply insert both sub pages for both the term. As many pages you will insert, similarly you will get the look over here in the top. You can see the moment I will click in project page on the top, English, Hindi, Maths. English में मैंने 2 किया तो term 1 term 2. Suppose in English in term 1 or not in English, if I am creating in clicking in Hindi, ठीक है, the page which you have in your screen that is of Hindi, ठीक है. Now you want to insert something over here. You want to insert a text box. Click in text box. You can write over here. Even if you have Google Indic keyboard installed in your laptop, you can write in Hindi over here. Okay? That is also possible from Hindi. I will just show you. This is your Microsoft Indic language. Now whatever you will type, that will be normal in the form of a Hindi, English or English form. Like I am writing Pariyojana Karya. Sorry. You can write the name of the chapter. It's up to you. If it is not there, you can simply always skip it. Okay, so after you insert the text box, you want to insert any picture, you can click in image option and you can click over here upload and that image will be inserted. If you don't want to insert the image directly, you want to choose a layout. This is only for one page. I'm telling you, you can choose the different style for different pages. So where you will get the layout, all these options, these all are layout. You can see like this is the first option. Like here you can insert one layout where you can use one but upload any picture. Suppose I am clicking over here and I am clicking in this image, plantation ka one image I have, and I am writing few lines about this. You can put it over here. Suppose in a project you have a PDF file, then just insert option mein you will get the option of drive. In drive option, once you will click, you will get all the files which you have uploaded in your Google Drive. Suppose this is one project which is in Word file. I want to insert it. Click in that file, click in insert, that file will be inserted. If we have any particular PPT in that particular subject as a project work, click in the slide option. You will have the Google Slides ka window in your screen. Like I told you, please upload all your work in the Google Drive beforehand, so you will get them in your drive immediately. You just click here, that will be inserted in your page, like you can see over here. Similarly, if I go to a different web page, I'm going to English and I'm clicking in term 1. And in this term 1, I have created a project in the form of a video which is uploaded in YouTube. Then you can click in the insert, then go downward, click in YouTube option. Then you will have your video which is already uploaded in your channel from the same email ID I have logged in. Click in uploaded option, and there are video which you have uploaded. You will be getting it in the form of a list. So I am just uploading one of the video which I have created and I am inserting it. That video will be inserted in the form of a frame. You can just increase or decrease the size of the frame. Similarly, there is a project in mathematics where you have only created pictures and you want to put all the pictures in the form of a slideshow. So in the insert option, you will get this image carousel. You insert more than one picture, means there must be a 2 pictures. तो आप एक से ज़्यादा पिक्चर्स अपलोड करोगे तो क्या होगा, स्लाइड्स के फॉर्म में चेंज होगा. लाइक आई हैव दीज रैंडम पिक्चर, आई एम अपलोडिंग दीज ओनली. लेट मी सी हाउ इट विल अपीयर. सारे को इंसर्ट कीजिए. जैसे मैंने इंसर्ट पे क्लिक किया, देखिए जिस तरह से आपको वेबसाइट वगैरह में दिखता है, 4 इमेजेस आर देयर. they will appear like the images will get changed one after one. It's right after publishing you will get able to change it after publishing the page. So you can see there are 4 dots, means 4 images are there. So this is how you can make changes in different pages. So from the beginning, let me tell you, in a folder keep everything ready. Whatever you have, it's not necessary that you need to put everything. You just sit, relax, think that from the month of April, whatever different files you can put across your portfolio, whether it is a result, any PDF, any PPT, any audio file, any image, any video, any YouTube video, any magazine article, any participation certification. There are so many things we all have participated in the form of e-integrity pledge. There are few in during this vigilance awareness week. Similarly, in the MyGov portal, there was some quiz where students have participated. You have participated in your different Olympiad. For Olympiads, you must have got certificates. So you find out, you see that what are the different things that you can collect. Put everything in a folder. You must have your biodata, a small biodata which should have everything, and your one passport size photograph. Then other things as many you can put. After putting everything in a folder, open the website sites.google.com. Okay? Once you open the website, you will get the option of portfolio. Open the portfolio. I am telling you, you all can do better than me. I have just given you a demonstration that how to go about this. But exploring different option, checking different option, just see how the things can work is up to you. You need to work on it, you need to give some time into this and make it ready. But before you publish, make it a point that please insert all the pages that you need to have in your portfolio, because after publishing a page you can't insert any pages. वो पब्लिश करने के पहले सारे पेजेस इंसर्ट कर लीजिए. थोड़ा बैठिए, टाइम दीजिए, राइट अप लिखिए एंड write things in different pages. I have made a very simple portfolio, a simple demonstration of portfolio. You have the best ability to make it more better. Better presentation of portfolio is very much possible just because you all can do it. So create it. After you finish entire portfolio work, you need to click in the share option, share with others. Once you click in the share with other option, you need to give the email ID of the person to whom you want to share. Like you need to share it with your teacher. So with whom you want to share, get their email ID and just write the email ID. Like I'm sharing it with Gargi ma'am. I have her email ID palgargi7@gmail.com. I have written her email ID. Then there will be option of editor and published viewer. I'm not making us as a viewer. I am making it her as an editor. So she can make changes if required. She can make comments if required. So I will choose the option editor and click in the notify people option, so she will come to know. If I want to write any customized message in the mail, I can write that message. I will click in the send button, she will come to know. So put your teacher's email ID as an editor. Don't put your friend's email ID, otherwise they will make unnecessary changes and they will just completely disturb your portfolio. So in the share option, you need to give the email ID of the teacher and please inform the concerned teacher so the teachers can check your portfolio. Like this one portfolio will have the details of all the subject or all the work of the different subject that you have done. So you don't have to create a portfolio like there are 6 subjects, you don't have to create a portfolio 6 times. One portfolio having everything, because portfolio itself means an sample, a file, a complete platform where I have everything about one individual. So give your best, give thoda time, make it more interactive, more better, more friendly, and you will feel like that yes, I have created something very good. And this is that you all can keep it for a long time. It's not only for class 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 you will have it. You will go for higher studies to different colleges and different universities, a reputed one. Just do not delete it. Just keep working on it. Make changes whenever you get something. Keep on updating it. Anyone is asking for your details, your portfolio, just give the link to the concerned teacher or concerned person. It's not only as an editor, you can give after publishing. Once you click in the publish option, let me just give it to you. You need to give a name to you over here. Like my name Radha Mohan Dek, I am putting it RMD. It will, if it is available, it will be given to me. Otherwise, it will just tell me that it is not available. I have given RMD-CV, curriculum vitae of short form. You can write anything. You can write your full name. You can write RMD or SCS. If your name is Prakash Kumar, you can write pk.scs, whatever you feel like. Then click in the publish option. Once you click in the publish option, you will get this option, copy published site link. जैसे इस ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करेंगे, you will get a different link which you can share to other people in the WhatsApp or in mail, which they can use to view your portfolio. They cannot make any changes using this link. Only the person who you have added as an editor, they can make changes. If you have clicked in this option, copy selected link, तो आपको यहाँ copy link में जाएंगे, इसको आप WhatsApp में share कर दीजिए. That person will be able to see your portfolio, not to make any changes. So that is why I'm telling you, this is very important in a long run. Create it, give some time, put everything whatever you have. If you do have some less thing which belongs to you, do not get bothered. Just create it, because it is an important part of your internal assessment. 3 to 4 marks are there. Now only for getting marks, it is not necessary to create. It's very important. It's something very good, a digital portfolio which you can carry all over the life. तो इसको क्रिएट कीजिए, समय दीजिए, बनाइए. And it is very important for internal assessment, so do not forget to create this. Watch this video. If you have any other just problem, just watch this video again. And just I'm very much sure that you all will be able to create a much better digital portfolio what I have created in front of you. Thank you everyone. So this is what we have for the day. Thank you.